Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Telegram code not sending on iPhone. So this problem is usually occurring due to regional restrictions, and how to fix it is all you need is simply proxy. You head over to these three lines and then click on settings, then head over to chat settings. You can see below basically not chat settings. Let me search in here for proxy. Okay, so this is how it looks. So we're going to be allowing proxy in here. We're going to be adding any server and a port and username and password for that. So or you can also use empty proto proxy. So you can add in here server and a secret code. Once you add that, a proxy will be applied. If this is too much for you, you can simply use a VPN in simple terms. That will do the job as well. So make sure to plug that in. Once the VPN is done, of course, because you're not receiving code, then you might not have this kind, but the proxy is actually available even if you cannot sign into Telegram. So if you're wondering that why I'm showing you this, proxy can be enabled without entering the code. So that's how easy it is. I hope this helps. You can either use proxy or VPN. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.